So there are a bunch of features inside of Gemini that Google hasn't really told anyone about.
90% of people using Gemini for images are using the wrong mode.
So first, if you are ever creating images using Gemini or editing images using Gemini, make sure that over here on the right,
there's a hidden toggle that unlocks Nano Banana Pro, a completely different image generator. Click Thinking Mode before you generate. Images go from amateur to professional in one click. You could charge small businesses for this right now.
You select at least thinking or higher. That is going to activate Nano Banana Pro, which is a much better image generation tool.
That's just the surface. Google is hiding entire features behind a secret door most people have never seen.
In a while, Google releases a new feature to Gemini that are only available to certain people who opt in using something called Google Labs. For instance, right here under Tools, you can see I have an experimental feature under Labs called Personal Intelligence. Now, opting into Labs is something anyone can do. All you have to do is come to labs.google.com.
Go to labs.google.com. You'll find experimental features not available to the public yet. AI agents that read your emails and calendar and send you a morning brief automatically. Scroll to the bottom, click Discover More. Even more hidden experiments waiting there.
Most people, though, don't know about this. And what you want to do is you want to scroll through here and find any of these new lab experiments that sound interesting to you.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
And scrolling down here, you will often see ones for Gemini or Gemini services inside of other Google products. But a bonus tip is you want to come down to this section right here called Discover More on Google Labs. And go ahead and click Visit here, because that shows you even more.
Now you've got features nobody else has. But what happens when you create so much content you can't find anything?
Yet. Here I'm inside a chat, and scrolling up you can see I had to create a bunch of images for me, infographics, we have a report up here. And if you continue this chat longer and longer, all these different assets can start to feel like they're getting lost. If I want to re-access my research, I have to scroll all the way back up to the top.
Long chats bury your assets, images, infographics, reports. Most people scroll for minutes trying to find something. Click the three dots top right, hit Files in this chat. Every single thing Gemini created appears in one list. One click, you're back to it.
But if you know the secret button and where it is, you no longer have to do that. At any point, you can click on these three dots on the top right and click on Files in this chat. That will then show you everything that has been created by Gemini for you inside the chat. We see the image, we see the infographic, and we see the report as well. So all I have to do is open this up, click right here, and it brings me right to the report.
Now you find everything instantly, but what if you could turn that content into a web page, quiz, or app without writing code?
Let's talk about Canvas. This is a feature that I think is way underutilized. You can turn this on by clicking on Tools and click on Canvas. And this creates an interactive environment that is separate from the chat. Why this is important is because having this distinction allows you to continue having a chat with Gemini on the left.
It's called Canvas. Turn it on under Tools. Split screen, chat on the left, content builds on the right. Blog post, done. Turn it into a web page or flashcards, one click. You edit live, collaborating with AI in real time. Full content production studio inside a free tool.
While reviewing all the changes that are happening on the right. So for instance, in this example, I had to put together a blog post for me. We can see the blog post over here on the right.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind the scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled, so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
If I want to make changes, I can tell Gemini what changes I want it to make. And instead of having to scroll up and down to see the old version and the new version, everything is just changed over here on the right. In addition to that, I can make any changes in here that I want.
Canvas remixes anything. But what if you could build a permanent AI assistant that knows your business and updates itself?
To the channel. This next one honestly blew my mind the first time I figured out that this was possible. Most people are familiar with gems inside of Gemini. You can access these by clicking on the left here where it says gems, scrolling down and clicking new gem. There's a couple of different ways that you can use these, but primarily it's a way to save a custom set of instructions.
Gemini lets you create custom AI assistants called gems with their own instructions and knowledge base. Problem: that knowledge goes static instantly. Fix: put your information into a Google Doc, link it to your gem. Every time you update that doc, your assistant learns it automatically. Living, breathing business tool that gets smarter over time.
And a custom set of knowledge base that will then be used every time you chat inside of this gem. But the problem is the information you put in here, particularly inside the knowledge base, can get very static. If you want to change it, you have to remove it and then add a new knowledge source. But a really awesome tip is that you can put all the information that you want the gem to pull from into a Google Doc.
These 5 hidden features turn Gemini from a chatbot into a side hustle engine. Stop scrolling, start building, follow for more. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos and we will see you on the next one.